Activity-based teaching method is an instructional approach that emphasizes learning through engaging hands-on activities rather than traditional lecture-based instruction. This method encourages students to actively participate in their own learning process through experiments, projects, role plays, group discussions, field work, and other interactive experiences. Key features include learning by doing, promotes critical thinking and creativity, focuses on student-centered learning, enhances engagement and retention. Here are some key merits of the activity-based teaching method. 1. Enhances student engagement. Active participation keeps students interested and motivated to learn. 2. Promotes deeper understanding. Hands-on activities help learners grasp concepts more concretely and meaningfully. 3. Encourages critical thinking. Students analyze, evaluate, and apply knowledge rather than just memorize facts, which improves retention. Learning by doing helps students remember content longer. 5. Develops practical skills, encourages teamwork, problem-solving, communication, and decision-making. 6. Caters to diverse learning styles, appeals to visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners. 7. Builds confidence and independence. Students take ownership of their learning and gain self-confidence. 8. Fosters creativity. Activities often involve open-ended tasks that allow for creative expression. Activity-based teaching methods have many advantages, but they also come with certain demerits, including 1. Time-consuming. Planning and conducting activities can take significantly more time than traditional lectures. 2. Resource-intensive. Activities often require materials, space, and other resources that may not always be available. 3. Classroom management challenges. Managing a class during activities can be difficult, especially with larger groups or younger students. 4. Assessment difficulties. Evaluating learning outcomes from activities can be subjective and harder to standardize. 5. Not suitable for all subjects or topics. Some topics may not lend themselves well to hands-on or activity-based approaches. 6. Teacher preparation. Requires more preparation and creativity from teachers, which can be demanding. 7. Possible off-task behavior. Students may become distracted or not take the activity seriously, reducing its effectiveness. Here are several common types of activity-based teaching methods. 1. Role play and dramatization. Students act out scenarios or historical events to deepen understanding and empathy. 2. Group discussions and debates encourage critical thinking, communication, and perspective taking. 3. Project-based learning. Students work on extended tasks or projects that integrate multiple skills and knowledge areas. 4. Problem-based learning. Learners solve real-life or hypothetical problems to develop analytical and decision-making skills. 5. Experiments and hands-on activities, particularly in science or math. Students engage with materials directly to discover concepts. 6. Educational. Games and simulations use structured play to reinforce content in an engaging way. 7. Field trips and outdoor learning. Real-world exposure enhances experiential learning and connects theory to practice. 8. Brainstorming sessions promote creativity and collaborative thinking. 9. Case studies. Students analyze real-life or fictional scenarios to apply knowledge practically. 10. Use of visual aids and manipulatives. Involves charts, models, and other tools to support visual and tactile learners.